Good day, children! Welcome back to our virtual learning. I'm Teacher G.
And I'm Teacher Jane. For today's lesson,
We have a guest teacher.
Hello kids, good day! I am Teacher Jo and I'm back as your guest teacher for today. So, are you ready to learn? Okay, that's very good. So, today we are going to learn how to use a and an. So, have you watched my previous lesson about vowel and consonant? If yes, that's great because it will help you understand our lesson today. So, when do we use the article a? And when do we use the article an? Remember, we use a before a word that begins with a consonant sound. Example, number 1, a dog. A dog. Dog begins with a consonant sound d. D. Number 2, a pencil. A pencil. Pencil begins with a consonant p. P. Okay, number 3, a bag. A bag. Bag begins with a consonant sound b. B. Yes. Okay? Okay. So when do we use an? Remember, we use an before a word that begins with a vowel sound. Again, we use an before a word that begins with a vowel sound. Example number 1, an eraser. An eraser. Eraser begins with a vowel e. E. Number 2, an ice. An ice. Okay. Ice begins with a vowel I. I. 3, an octopus. An octopus. Octopus begins with a vowel sound a. A. Okay? That's great. So let's have a game. Are you ready? Okay, let's play. I'm going to say a word. Tell me if I'm going to use a or an. Number 1, ink.
an ink.
Yes, that's correct. Number 2, candy. Candy. Yes?
Candy.
Very good. Okay, number 3, flower. Flower.
A flower.
Great job! Okay, number 4. Ostrich. Ostrich. Yes?
An ostrich.
Perfect! Number 5. Van. Van.
A van.
Wonderful! Okay, number 6. Elephant. Elephant. Yes?
An elephant.
Yes! Excellent job! Wow! Kids, you did very well today. So, keep on learning, okay? So, thank you very much and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye!